Right, so here we have a revisit of the Atlas data miner, which has moved along and improved over time. A fairly ambitious project because we're obviously looking for companies' contacts in the B2B hemisphere. And as you know, this area of concern, we are looking at it with a difference in the sense that it serves as an internal tool within Birthday Messaging, where we're looking to secure and nourish data on various fronts, either by sourcing it in the various public spaces. Obviously, if you're familiar with BM Map Scout, we also have, as a case in point, in the UK, you have companies house data. We'll be looking at that, chambers of commerce, business directories, and so forth. We will start off with the tier 1 countries, US, UK, Singapore. I'm not sure whether that's tier 1 now. And all the usual suspects, Australia, New Zealand, to get such data. But over time, we're obviously going to go to, based on also demand, countries around the world for business-to-business data in terms of the companies, in terms of the contacts, and so forth. So it's a combination, a milieu of that. We'll have a team in-house who will be sourcing, cleansing, updating such data. So it's going to be work in progress. So here we have, without further ado, here we have the application, which itself has progress. So we have the dashboard here, so where you have your credit system and then total companies, contacts, and what's active in terms of and credit usage, so you have an idea of where you are. So prospecting, as you can see here, you can filter exactly what you're looking for in terms of companies and in terms of contacts, as you can see here. We'll also have companies. We'll be able to determine the companies you want to get based on the name, domain, industry standard, country, as already mentioned, and then you create, and then you have the contacts. Same parameters with selection, and then you have a search and filters and so forth. So how many scrape jobs you've done, selected job summary, run history. So these are call it googly hook technical details, but all you're looking for: companies, contacts, and then obviously qualified contacts and so forth. And then you have your list here. Integrations, so this will be done with the normal standard CRMs: HubSpot, GoHighLevel, Salesforce, Slack, and then obviously we can see here we'll be able to set up webhooks to such platforms, third-party platforms, and we call them, which include things like Pabbly, Integrately, Zapier, and so forth. Then we have the reports here. So the performance, obviously billing, settings, general workspace settings. So to be honest with you, this is work in progress. So we are only at the precipice of such work, and then we'll keep it updated. So as I mentioned, there will be a handful of as an opportunity to get a lifetime offer. You'll find the link in the description sideways or below, and then we can work from that. If you do have any questions, feel free to get in touch, and we'll be able to address such issues. Thank you very much, and have a good day. Thank you.